So we're now going to be working on strengthening the muscles to help support the recovery of the hip. We're starting off with isometrics, which is basically where you're strengthening the muscles without actually moving them. So the first one is for your inner thighs. You're going to get either a pillow or a squishy ball, place it in between the knees. From there, make sure you're nice and upright and supported, or if you find it more comfortable, you can lie yourself all the way down. From there, you're going to squeeze the inner thighs together. Keep that squeeze hold, which is difficult, over 10 seconds. Keep that pressure on, and you will feel that your stomach kicks in as well. And from there, slow and controlled, ease off. So that's an inner thigh squeeze. We're going to go again, really squeezing, working the inner thighs and the lower abdominal muscles. 10 seconds, and easing off. Perfect. And we're going to repeat that same style of exercise, but this time with the glutes. So the glutes are so important for supporting the hips. Please don't neglect them in your recovery. So this is an isometric, which means that you're not going to physically see a difference in my body, but I'm going to describe to you what you're going to be doing. So the bottom muscles are going to be clenched together at their maximum for 10 seconds, holding really nice and tight, and then from there, easing off. And you're going to repeat that 10 times at 10 seconds. We're going to go again. We're really squeezing, clenching those bottom muscles together, feeling a deep squeeze, clenching there about halfway. It may want to give up. Keep going, and easing off. Perfect. And you're doing 10 repetitions of them at 10 seconds each exercise.